MCP usually means the Model Context Protocol, the way AI apps safely connect to tools, files, databases, and outside systems instead of being trapped inside chat. Before I build the lesson around it, do you mean Model Context Protocol? Perfect. We'll learn MCP as if you've never coded. First, what problem it solves, then how an AI asks for tools, how a small MCP server exposes one safe tool, how messages flow, and finally, how to debug it when something goes wrong. Think of MCP like a hotel concierge. The AI is the guest asking for help. NCP is the front desk rulebook, and tools are the trusted staff who can actually fetch things, search files, or call services. Watch the drawing. You ask the AI for something, but the AI should not secretly rummage through your computer or pretend it knows live facts. MCP is the rulebook in the middle. It tells the AI exactly which trusted tools exist, what each tool is allowed to do, and how to ask safely. That is the first big click. MCP does not make the AI smarter by magic. It gives the AI a safe doorway to real actions. Great question. This is the exact place people mix them up. An API is a doorway into one system. MCP is a standard way for an AI app to discover and use many doorways safely. In plain English, an API is like a restaurant kitchen hatch, while MCP is the concierge desk that shows the AI which hatches exist, what each one accepts, and what it is allowed to ask for. Let's walk through how that connection works step by step. A team connects an AI assistant to a weather company. The weather company already has an API for forecasts. The AI still needs to know what tool exists, what inputs are allowed, what should I call? Would MCP replace the weather API or sit in front of it and guide the AI into using it? Let's make this concrete instead of just naming words. I'm putting a tiny AI calendar assistant map on screen. One line shows the real calendar doorway, and one line shows the instruction card the AI reads before using that doorway. Your AI assistant is about to send a real email. One part is the safe instruction card the AI reads first. One part is the real mail company doorway that actually sends the message. For the 4 lines under your turn, which ones belong to MCP and which ones belong to the API? You're on the right track. The clue for MCP is any line that sounds like an instruction card for the AI, not the company that actually performs the action. I'm going to use the words in your file so the next step is smaller and clearer. Look at the 4 lines under your turn. Lines with tool name or needed information are the AI's instruction card, so they belong to MCP. Lines with endpoint or actually delivers are the real outside doorway, so they belong to the API. Your turn. Write a short answer like 1 equals MCP, 2 equals API, 3 equals question mark, and fill in the 2 question marks.